What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video I'm going to unbox the new FireTV stick from Amazon, and there are two major upgrades on that we'll talk about in this video. Before unboxing, let me show you the back side of the box. It shows that this one supports 4K now. 4K Ultra HD content at 60 FPS is now supported through various apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime, and there's also a new remote on this one that also supports Alexa voice. So you can pull up any content from Amazon servers, and this will also work with the Echo speakers. We'll show that to you, but first let's pull out the remote and the FireTV stick. So the device is available on Amazon, you can buy it from there, and it's available at around about 6,000 rupees. And we'll take a look at what's inside the box. So this is how the box is laid out inside. First up, you get a user manual that tells you how to set it up on your TV. The FireTV stick requires a separate power source, so you get a USB cable also with that. So here is the USB cable, which has very good length, around 2 meters, and you also get very good quality on this one. Then there is an HDMI extender cable. Next in the box, you get a power adapter that you can separately use to power up the FireTV stick. Then there is the remote control that you'll see has a microphone at the top, a mic button to fire the microphone, power button that turns on the Fire Stick, and there are controls that allows you to play, pause, forward or rewind, and go back to the home screen on the FireTV stick interface. Now this remote is also separately available on Amazon if you want to upgrade your previous Fire Stick. So if you already have a Fire Stick at your home, you don't need to buy this one unless you're looking to upgrade to 4K resolution. There are also two batteries bundled in the box to power the remote. After connecting the power source to the stick and attaching it to the HDMI port on the TV, the FireTV comes to life, but not completely. You need to first ready the remote and use it to connect the stick to the internet. As soon as it has internet, it updates and will ask you to sign in to your Amazon account. Now signing into the Amazon account is a tedious process that requires the use of on-screen keyboard with D-pad to punch in your ID and password. After that, it downloads the latest FireTV update, and a tutorial plays on screen showing you the interface and how to use the new Alexa remote. Since FireTV works with a remote, you don't need to pair it with an app. All the features can be accessed by the remote itself, unlike Google's Chromecast that requires phone for everything. After customizing your apps and few other things, the FireTV with Alexa is ready to take commands. The FireTV is adept at talking in English and would understand names of English movies, music albums and TV shows.
Alexa, play Legacies Season 1.
But it did have a hard time understanding the names of Bollywood movies or Hindi TV shows. Alexa, play Razi.
Here's a playlist you might like. Best of Selena Gomez on Amazon Music.
But you can use the commands for a variety of other things. For example, skipping tracks,
Skip 1 minute back.
going forward or backward, next or previous, and play pause the media you're watching in all the apps. You can even perform voice search in specific apps. Now using Alexa for all these small things may sound tedious when you already have a remote. But if you don't, your Echo speakers will be very helpful. So you can speak up commands from anywhere near the Echo speakers and control the FireTV.
Alexa, play The Longest Yard on FireTV.
Here's The Longest Yard, 2005.
Overall, 4K on the new 4K FireTV stick may not be the best feature, as 4K content is still scarce on Amazon and Netflix itself. But Alexa integration surely makes it, or rather free, more remoteless. Let us know what you think about the new Fire Stick in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.